Look at this dining table. Look at this animation of the Earth rotating around the sun. All of this has been created in under 1 minute using AI. There is no manual modeling here. Everything you see is generated using Python scripts created by AI and executed inside Blender. First, I open Claude AI and write a prompt asking it to generate a Blender Python script for a small house. The prompt is visible on the screen and you can see that it is very simple. Claude immediately generates the Python code. I copy this code and open Blender. Inside Blender, I go to the Scripting tab and click on New, which opens a new text file. I paste the Python script into this file and click Run Script. Then I switch back to the Layout tab, and a small house model is created. At first, the house appears in a gray color. When I click on Material Preview, the colors become visible. You can now see the wall color, the roof color, and the door color. This entire model is created in just a few seconds using AI-generated Python code. Next, I create another model, which is a dining set with a large table and several chairs. I go back to Claude and write another simple prompt. Claude generates a Python script, which I copy and paste into Blender. When I run the script, an error appears. This is completely normal because AI does not always produce perfect code. I ask the AI to fix the errors, paste the corrected script into Blender, and run it again. This time, the dining table and chairs are created. Some chairs are overlapping with the table, but I can manually adjust their positions very easily. After that, I create an animation using Gemini AI. I write a prompt asking it to create the sun, create the Earth, rotate the Earth around the sun, and make the sun emit light. Gemini generates a Python script for this animation. I paste the script into Blender and run it. In Material Preview, the Earth appears blue, the sun appears yellow, and the Earth rotates around the sun. This entire animation is created in less than a minute. Next, I use DeepSeek AI to create a cloth simulation. I ask it to generate a script where a cloth falls onto a solid object and wraps around it using cloth physics. The AI generates the Python script, which I paste into Blender and run. You can see the cloth falling, colliding with the object, and behaving realistically. The cloth does not have a color yet, but materials and colors can easily be added later. One very important point to understand is that the quality of the model or animation depends heavily on the quality of the prompt. The prompts used in this video are intentionally simple and basic, just for demonstration purposes. If you write more detailed and well-structured prompts, the AI will generate better Python scripts, which means more accurate models, better layouts, improved animations, and fewer errors. In simple words, better prompts lead to better results. AI generates the script, Python controls Blender, and Blender creates the final models and animations. This workflow makes 3D creation faster, simpler, and accessible to almost anyone. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.